In this video, you'll see a demonstration of the vehicle routing problem with drone resupply. A truck will be tasked with delivering an order to a customer. As the truck is traveling, a new order will become available. That order will be sent from the depot to the truck using a drone, so that the truck can perform the second delivery without having to go back to the depot to pick it up. This is the driver. He is leaving the depot with order number 1. After some time, order number 2 becomes available at the depot. Here, a worker will load the drone with order number 2 and send it on its way. Meanwhile, the truck is about to deliver order number 1. And here comes the drone. The driver waits for it to land and loads order number 2 and sends the drone back to the depot. The driver can now go straight to deliver order number 2.